Good morning, my dear students. We are studying second unit, that is balance of payment. And in this video, we'll be discussing the last subtitle in the topic, that is tariffs and quotas. This video will be too short because there is no much explanation needed here, because as per our syllabus, we are supposed to know the meaning and types of tariffs and quotas. Therefore, this video will be too short. It may not be a lengthier one. Uh, Dear students, by this time we are having brief knowledge about international trade and balance of payment, new terms used while studying these two units and all that. Balance of payment, it deals with values of exports and imports, and if balance of payment is surplus, it is too good to a nation. If it is deficit, it's not a good sign. Then we have also have the knowledge of that how balance of payment deficit can be overcome. There are large number of remedies which can be used to overcome deficit in the balance of payment. As we go on studying in details how to overcome deficit in the balance of payment, there we come across two important remedies or techniques or devices which helps a nation to overcome deficit in the balance of payment. And these two devices are tariffs and quotas. You are familiar with these terms. You must have read it in newspaper, you must have heard it in news. Tariffs and quotas. Tariffs and quotas with reference to international trade, they are protective measures. They are devices, they are means which are used to control imports, which are used to overcome deficit in the balance of payment. Tariffs and quotas can be used as weapon to overcome deficit in the balance of payment. As I said, in this video we shall be knowing the meaning of these terms and types. That's all. We are not going in detail because of limitation of syllabus. Look at your screen. There are only few sentences. The first one is, look at that. It's about the meaning of tariffs. Tariffs or custom duties are taxes imposed on imports. Now, if tax is imposed on goods and services bought and sold within the country, that tax is not called as tariff. Tariff is a tax. It is imposed only on those goods and services which are imported from foreign countries. Tariffs are also popularly known as custom duties. Tariffs protect home industries from unhealthy and unwanted competition from foreign industries. Tariffs works as weapons to protect domestic industries from unhealthy, unwanted competition from foreign companies, foreign industries. It is a kind of restriction. Government can use tariffs as weapon to impose restrictions on imports. It can also be used to encourage imports. It can also be used to discourage imports. Therefore, it is called as weapon used to manage imports of goods and services. What are tariffs? Tariffs are taxes. Tariffs are custom duties imposed specifically on goods and services which are imported. That's all. Now, look at the types of tariffs. Broadly speaking, there are two types of tariffs. One is specific duty and the second one is ad valorem tariff. What is this specific duty? It's a tax imposed on commodity imported into the country. Specific duty is a tax imposed on quantity of goods imported from foreign countries. What about the second one, ad valorem tariff? It is also a tax which is imposed on the value of imports of a nation. Ad valorem tariff is also a tax. It is imposed on the price value of the commodity. It is imposed on price value of the commodity, and the previous one is imposed on the units, quantity. In simple language, specific duty is imposed on quantity imported and ad valorem tariff is imposed on the value of imports. That's all. After studying this, in next place we are supposed to know the meaning of quotas, meaning of quota and types of quotas. Quotas are the quantitative restrictions imposed on imports. How many units are to be imported? How many quantities are to be imported? How many kgs are to be imported? Restrictions imposed on quantitative aspect of import. We call it as quotas. A government decides fixed quantity of commodity to be imported from foreign countries. Quotas may be of commodity to be imported from the foreign countries. The types of quotas: tariff or custom quotas. Second one, unilateral import quotas. Third one, import licensing. Fourth one, bilateral quotas. Fifth one, mixing quotas. These are different types of quotas can be imposed on quantity imported from foreign countries. Friends, with this we end our discussion on Unit 2. If you are having any difficulties, any queries, any problems in connection with my subject, you are free to call me anytime between 10 to 5. Whether it is Sunday, holiday, that makes no difference. This is what I mean, anytime. But time restriction is between 10 a.m. and 5:30. With this, I end my discussion on Unit 2. Thank you.